This video will help you complete the movies assignment in Excel. In class, we talked about different types of charts and how to collect data to create a spreadsheet and a chart. And we used the 7 steps that you heard about in class or saw in the recording or on the Nearpod. We're going to actually create a chart and a spreadsheet today about the class's selection of favorite movie genre. So we're going to start in cell A1 by typing the words favorite movie genre. Press enter, and in A2 we're going to type drama, which is one of the categories. Press enter, and in A3 type comedy, in A4 action, and in A5 sci-fi / horror. The next thing we did was we resized the column to fit the widest entry. So moving my mouse between column A and B headers, I double click, it will fit the widest entry. In cell B2, we entered the class data. So for our class, 3 people said they loved drama, 4 people said they liked comedy, 5 people said they liked action, and 6 people said they liked horror. So that column B, B2 coincides with drama, B3 comedy, B4 action, and B5 sci-fi and horror. Now we have our little spreadsheet. We are actually ready to go ahead and create our chart. We're going to select A1 down to B5. And in order to do that, we actually click on A1, hold our mouse in, drag over to B1 and down to B5 until it's selected. I cannot click anywhere else on my spreadsheet because the second I click, I remove my selection. So click A1 over to B1 and down to B5. I then come up to my insert menu and I move over to this section called charts. We chose to use a pie chart today because it best represented our data. If I drop down the pie chart button, I have options of putting in a 2D pie chart, 3D pie chart, a donut, or more pie charts. In this case, I'm just going to select a 3D pie chart. And there I have it. I have my 3D pie chart. I have my drama, comedy, action, and sci-fi chunks of my pie. And we're going to do a little bit of formatting. Notice that when my chart is selected, I have these 3 buttons. These 3 buttons allow me to alter portions of my chart. If I click off of my chart, you will notice that I no longer have those 3 buttons. So if you're missing those buttons, simply click back on your chart. Also notice that when you click on your chart, you have a chart design menu that allows you to change the style of your chart. If we click on this plus sign, we can add elements. We have a title. We can add data labels, which will tell us how many people selected each piece of the pie, and then we have a legend. If we click on the paintbrush, we can change the style of our chart to pick a different style. We can also change the color. And lastly, if we wanted to change an individual piece of the pie, we would click on that individual piece of the pie. We could right click and we could change the fill color to a different color. And so as you see, I changed comedy to a dark purple. I'm going to change action to yellow. And I'm going to change sci-fi and horror to a green. Now this is not required, but it is certainly fun to play around with changing the different colors of pieces of pie. You can also come up to the chart design menu and select a different type of chart to present in your Excel sheet. Then we also clicked on chart title and we changed this to say favorite movie genre. And that is all we did today in class. We went to File, Save As. We named this Excel Movies _ your name, saved it in our computer literacy folder, and submitted it to the Excel Movies Dropbox in the course. So we named this Excel Movies _ your name, and then submitted it to the Dropbox. Send an email with any questions. Have a good day.